Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Krishna sir, as your science teacher. Now today I am going to teach you class 5, lesson 15, subject science. Topic is the environment. You know this topic, environment, is comprised two. There are two types of environment. One is biotic and second one is abiotic. And in an environment, what is environment? Environment means our surrounding. Means whatever you see in our surrounding, there is a biotic environment also and abiotic environment also. Biotic means those organisms who takes oxygen and which they breathe, they have life. This is not biotic. Bio means life, and abiotic means non-living things. Some air, water, dance, and other things. These are non-living things. And in our surrounding, there is many things also present. Some are is biotic and some are is abiotic. Now come to the point, ecology. The study of living things in their natural surroundings is called ecology. Where in ecology, we study about living things. What kind of living things are, because in our surroundings there are many kind of species are there. Suppose the birds have 12,000 species are there. Snake is also 12,000. And our scientific name is, what is our scientific name? Our scientific name is Homo sapiens. So that's why in ecology, the surrounding of the living things in their natural surrounding. What are living things were living in our natural surrounding, in a surrounding area, in a forest area? We study about them in a very finest things, in a very detailed manner. This process is known as ecology. And those who study about ecology, ecologists. Now come to the in our environment, there is a pollution problem. Lots of pollution are there. And there's lots of pollution are there, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollutions are also there. That's why you see radioactive pollutions are also there. Here you come to the radioactive pollution also there. So pollution is the release of substance into air, water or soil that are harmful to living things. This is known as pollution. This is the definition of pollution. This pollution, suppose there is air pollution, a lot of industries and factories emit harmful radiation in the atmosphere. It causes air pollution. If our air is totally polluted, there is chlorofluorocarbon gas are there, carbon monoxide are the CO. Carbon monoxide there, CO2 gas are there. It is very bad for the environment. So we should need to control these things. To check our environment also, to make India a green, with the world to be green. That's why you plant more and more trees, because the trees absorb the harmful gases of that are released by the vehicles also, air from the industries also, and from the factory also. So you should need to factories should be far away from the natural environment of the humans, because where the many animals. Also, you see in the forest area, there's many animals out there. You could cut down the trees, and all the animals were suffering from homicide because also they were died due to there's no natural environments present. So this way here, one by one we will discuss about what is air pollution. Air pollution means harmful radiations which are emitted by the factories or industries or on the vehicles. It go to the atmosphere and it causes a lots of problems, just like acid rain also. It is very harmful for eye from also skin cancer, damage our environment, things also. So that's why you should need to control the air pollution by planting more and more trees, and you should use CNG gas, compressed natural gas in the vehicles, so that air pollution can be reduced. Come to the point, water pollution. Means whatever we suppose we dump our garbage, throw in the water, many animals, dead animals we throw in the water. In a cemented ground also, you see many women are burned down near the river. It also causes lots of pollution problems. That's why the water pollution is very harmful. It causes many diseases problem also. This air also causes many diseases, breathing problem also, asthma problem also. And water pollution, lots of pollution are there, diarrhea, typhoid, and cholera, loose motion, dysentery. These are symptoms of water pollution. So we should need to drink clean water, potable water from the environment. We should RO water, we should use, Aquafina water we should use. So we should need to make a just a plan, make a certain idea that environment, and they give us things that how should we conserve water. You should maintain the water, air, rainwater harvesting also. This help us to reduce water pollution and conserve water in the future. Third one is radioactive pollution. Suppose there is a blasting atom bombs and other things in the environment. It causes radioactive pollution. By burning coals in the atmosphere, this created lots of radioactive pollution. This causes many harmful radiations. They come into the environment and it causes many irritating causes and cancer cells, and this is very harmful for us. Now come to the land pollution. Suppose any plastic bottles. There are two types of waste. One is biodegradable and second is non-biodegradable. The material which can be used again and again is known as biodegradable, and the material which cannot be used after use is not biodegradable. Suppose I also think in the mind there is a renewable or non-renewable source of energy. The waste which can be disposed easily is called biodegradable waste. Suppose we throw paper in the environment, you see after 2, 3, 4 it is totally damp. It converts into soil. This is known as biodegradable waste, and the non-biodegradable are just substances. They cannot be reduced and do not change in atmosphere. Suppose you say a plastic bottle you throw in the land, you see it can take many days, 100 years. Also there is no chance of even I see it is still there. This is not a non-biodegradable waste. This is why waste land water. Now we should need to control. Do not throw any things in the atmosphere in the land by area. We throw in the garbage also. There's a recycling, or we should conserve thing in the mind of the recycling also. You recycling things, recycling materials in your environment. And noise pollution. There's a lot of vehicles running here and there. It causes noise pollution. It causes irritating person, out of tension. The student were under the process of reading in the examination period, and we blow a sound, DJ. This causes noise pollution, which is very harmful for us. It disturb our minds. It created hypertension in the mind also. Now, this is very important topic to come here. This is global warming. The greenhouse effect causes an increase in the temperature around the world. This is called global warming. The greenhouse effect means increasing of CO2, carbon dioxide, CO2, and chlorofluorocarbon. It causes lots of problems to us. That's why we should need to conserve this global warming by stop the vehicles of CNG gas also. Vehicles harmful radiation which come from the, suppose you burn in a coal thermal power station. All the harmful radiation will go to the atmosphere and mix with the evaporation also. And you throw in the form of precipitation, it causes accident problem also. This continues. The greenhouse gases increase in the carbon dioxide. As a result, all the ice cape, all the glacier waves melt down. It causes sea level go to the upsides, and it causes increasing in the temperature. And one day you see all the coastal area were sink in the water, because in a very increasing manner there is a global warming which causes the melting of snow in the sea level. You see it can be increasing day by day. So that's why we should need to control all these greenhouse effects. It causes also there is an ozone layer also, O3, which protect us from, it is one of the blanket. This is one of the blanket. It protect us from the harmful radiation which are coming from the sun. If this harmful radiation comes to the sun, it causes cancer problem, skin problem, to the eye problem also, and it causes many problems to the plant also. That's why we should need to control this global warming problem pollution, and so we should need to plant more and more trees, stop down the cutting down of trees. And come to the points. Accident I already discussed here. This is the symptoms when the vehicles emit the harmful radiation, smokes and other factories waste, carbon monoxide gas go to the up in the atmosphere, and it mix with the evaporations, and all the rain comes in the form of precipitation. That is known as accident. As a result, it paints the color of the Taj Mahal also, you see, our natural heritage, and it causes skin cancer, eye problems, and lots of disease caused by the accident. Now, this is a very important topic. What can be done to stop environmental problems? What can be done? So we should need to plant more and more trees. First of all, we should need to plant more and more trees to stop the deforestation problem. First one. Second one is we should walk. Suppose there is your distance only 2, 3, 4 kilometers. You should walk or cycling. Stop the fossil fuels, because fossil fuels will take billion years to make on coal, petrol, diesel, fossil fuel. So we should depend on the solar energy also, wind energy also, geothermal energy, which is a renewable waste, which can be used again and again. And third one is stop. Third one is teaching the mind. Give precaution measures to be taken. There is a awareness problem we should create in the environment. How can you conserve our natural things, conserve our plantation also. We should depend upon not your nature. What can you do for the nature? This is a very problem for us. Stop the cutting down trees. You should use lesser water problems. You should depend upon the rainwater harvesting. And this is some of the steps which will be taken to involve our environment. In this environment, there is a biotic and abiotic. The original step oxygen for survival is a biotic. Abiotic means living, non-living thing, or biotic means living thing. So this biotic and living thing which live together is known as also a ecology. So we should depend upon each other. So we should need to highlight this chapter about this ecology. This environment comprises both living things and non-living things. This is our surrounding. So we should need to clean our environment, planting more and more trees, less use of vehicles, and try to settle down your factories in the far away from the cities. In a week, you should walk or cycling also. Reduce the stopping of car or other vehicles, so that it make our environment covered. So in the low ground period, you see many vehicles are stopped. Our atmosphere very clean. So that's why this is very important for us to stop the cutting down trees, and we should depend upon, we should think of this our art, a wonderful planet. It will be green and evergreen also by planting more trees and stop depend upon the living things. So this chapter I think also understood. If you need doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.